In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up browser notifications in Hubspot. Browser notifications are a helpful way to stay on top of important activity in real time, even when you are working in another tab. Once they are enabled, Hubspot can send alerts through your browser for the items you choose, such as updates, assignments, and other key events. To begin, make sure you are signed in to your Hubspot account in the same browser where you want to receive notifications. Then look at the main navigation and click the settings icon, which looks like a small gear. This opens the full settings area where you can control preferences for your account. Next, go to the left sidebar and find Notifications. Click Notifications to open the notification settings page. This is where Hubspot lets you decide both how and when you want to be notified. At the top of the notifications page, click the Desktop tab. The Desktop section controls notifications that appear on your computer, including the option for browser-based alerts. Now locate the browser switch and toggle it to On. As soon as you turn this on, your browser will usually display a permission pop-up. This is your browser asking whether it is okay for Hubspot to send notifications. Click Allow in that permission pop-up. If you click Block by mistake, you may not receive notifications until you update your browser site permissions later, so make sure you choose Allow. Once the browser permission is granted, you will return to the Hubspot settings where you can fine-tune what you receive. Look through the list of notification types and check the boxes for the specific notifications you want. It is a good idea to select only what is useful so your alerts stay meaningful and do not become distracting during the day. When you are finished choosing your notification types, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Save. Saving is important because your selections will not apply until you confirm them. After that, browser notifications are set up, and Hubspot can start sending the alerts you enabled. That covers everything you need to know.